Alright, my new bike. This is a bike check. It's a We the People Reason 2012. I got it in red. Start off with the grips. I have ODI long necks. Cut off the flange. They're good grips once you wear them out. Stock bars. They're 8.5 inches tall and 29.4 inches wide, I think. The stem, I have a FBM Crown Royal stem in red. It's really nice. Then stock forks, stock rim. With the tire, I have a Fit FAF in white wall 2.3 size. Pedals, they're stock E-Claw. Stock salt cranks. Stock sprocket and chain. Another stock E-Claw seat. The frame is 20.75 inches top tube. Then I just have a regular peg from the bike, which is salt. Then in the back I have another Fit FAF white wall tread in 2.3 and stock rim, but I have a premium Stinger hub on this. It's really nice. And here's the sound.